So, I wake up, right? I'm rolling me a blunt. I look outside. I'm like, what the fuck? Nigga, it's all kind of motherfucking police. What the fuck is going on now? Yeah. It's going down. Tactical alert. Right outside the door. What the hell going on? So, yeah, you know. Tactical alert or something, man. Some fools over here holding hostages or something, man. ¿Qué pasó, Emma?
I don't know what happened.
What's up with the policía? Too much policía. ¿Qué trucha? As you can see, it's all taped off over here, so, you know, it's all bad right about now. See? Pasadena been cracking. It was like this last night. Must have had a fire or some shit. Way down there. Let's see if we can get down there, man. Whatever's cracking is down there. See what's happening? About to trip because I'm about to light my blunt. I don't give a damn. He ain't fucking with me. Fuck him. Just wanted to let y'all know, man. What the white boys are saying on this song, or the niggas, whoever it is, it ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe. It's safe. Pasadena's actually cool. I'm from LA, but I like it out here. Paroled out here, I ain't left, homie. It's cool for me. You know how Snoop Dogg say it's bad for me? It's all good for me. Look at something. What is what? They're breaking out the robot. They're sending in the tactical robot on the nigga.
Negotiators really here.
Oh shit.
Mom's a negotiator.
Man, Samuel Jackson is the negotiator, man.
Why you got
Fucking knee bomb.
you got my video camera?
That's a fucking lie. It's my camera, huh? Tactical alert around this motherfucker. Ah! Too late. Look, Roscoe, where you going, boy? We can't get much from here, man. It's just all bad down there. They really not gonna let us through down there. You know? Oh, man. They got it blocked off all the way from Washington all the way up to Penn, man. It's ugly. So nobody can go to RJ's or none of that shit. You gotta go around. You know how I go. It's a robot. Going up in there and get him. Yeah. They're sending the robot. Get barricaded, they send a robot to come get you. So, the police got a plug. Plug walk. See this plug? Wrapped around the pole. Oh, we got a whole van. They stole the plug. Damn, a whole bunch of cars. God damn. What the hell? It's about 30 cars. Shit.
Babe, okay, here. Hold my blunt, America.
Oh my God.
Yes, I'm smoking a blunt in front of the place. So look, I wake up early this morning, and this is going on in my driveway. This is ridiculous. So what happened is there's a hostage situation. That's my son. They got the Humane Society here. That's my neighbor Irma. The point is,
Don't step on it. It's gonna electrocute you and blow up. It's gonna blow the door.
so they got this little wire out.
And it has a dog on it.
They trying to blow her door out. Some lady tried to commit suicide. His door, whoever. The point is, this is what's going on.
And
That's
the
a little
dog trying
wire.
to sue.
Hi, Kia.
Oh, hi, baby.
Hi, Kia.
So this is the wire. They said this wire goes all the way to Pasadena. All the way.
And we cannot cross the street.
There's all the little nurses. Everybody's out here. All right. So supposedly,
In the convalescent shit.
This is what is going on.
Hefe and them ain't at work now.
Nobody's at work. Because there's a threat going on. Little boy, you get back here. You're not as bold as your brother.
You caught me.
I did catch you.
I want to see what my dad is doing.
Anyways, I just woke up and this is what's going on.
I just woke up.
Hi, baby.
Hi, mommy.
You're so cute. So, I gotta go to work. How am I supposed to get to work?
Ta-da! There's a back pussy. They shooting? Oh, God. They're shooting. They're shooting. You coming for it?
You wow.
Yeah, you guys gotta let the man concentrate. The other thing was
Oh! This is not getting so protected. Oh! They fine too.
Y'all is
oh God, oh, she's right for you. I know.
Samuel Jackson next.
That's tight.
Dad, this is going wild.
Look, it's a fool over there on sniper duty. Posted with a pistol, some fool right here on the bike.
Oh, so she's in
They're in a
there.
standoff like position.
I want to see Sniper.
Alright,
Oh, I want to see Sniper. I like Sniper.
look at them.
With the suit.
These are the detectives. Like, these are the top notch.
Book them, Dano.
Why they gotta negotiate at my house, though?
Yeah, right. Command center, command post.
Because we have the best parking lot.
Church, safe. Yeah. Ruby, you gonna tow these motherfucking cars?
That's a nice little kid right here. Look.
Right.
Little throwback kid.
Got the bird put on.
Just the wire don't step in the poop. Go around these overshoes. Brum, 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 brum. Hello, hello. Oh, they were nice to me. They said hi.
Nice little caprese.
Oh, I love puppies. Hi, sleeping baby. I want to fix you, but I don't want to wake you up. You're so cute. Good night, sleeping baby.
Alright, so the word is the person is now in custody. So I'm about to start clearing it out. You know, all this shit up off nigga driveway, you know what I'm talking about? So we can get on up out of here. It's all over, man. It's all over. Get on up out of here. Take all these police guys. Yeah, son, it's over. They're about to clear it out, boy. We're gonna do it like a car show, do the rollout. Catch them on the rollout. Ah, this shit is crazy, man. Don't be killing people, man, and barricading yourself, man. They just gonna come get you. You know?
I'm gonna go over there real quick.
You do this shit, just turn yourself in, man. You know what I mean? Alright, they about to let traffic through. They moving the yellow tape. It's about to basically be over. It's the end to this little hostage situation here. Police rolling out. They made the nigga house a command center and shit. Still pulling up over here. Look at this shit, man. They gotta do a debriefing now, you know? Protocol, man. Stick it to the protocol. Look, here comes some bikers and shit. Traffic control. Whoop. It's over, dog. Good job, homie. Thumbs up. Right there. See? It's all over. Yellow tape is all over. Alright, so they just had the debriefing, right? So the debriefing is about to be over. So let's see how many cars roll up out this one. Next. Poo-poo daddy, come here, daddy. See the police cars over there? Uh-oh. Choking on the bacon. You have some bacon? What are you doing, little daddy? Put your shirt down, boy. You on camera. The police cars over there. Look, over here. Look. One. Look what those. Man, no ambulance police car. Two. Man. I'm just glad they leave and get on up out of here, man. Three. Police car right here. They about time they rolling out, man. What, daddy? Something happened today, man. Somebody had a hostage situation. Another one? Yeah, that's the Sarge right there. Say, hey, Sarge. Hey, what's up, Sarge? Hey, did y'all handle that? Did y'all use the proper protocol? Y'all use the hostage negotiator? Negotiator? Hey, you negotiator? Huh? That's police car. Right. They backing up. What'd you say? Say, come back, police car. It's a bunch of them. They all over the place. Look, all over there. You see them? Trying to wait for them all to get the hell up out of here so I can smooth it on while I'm moving. You know? Put it in the air. Right there. They got another police car rolling out. Item 12, copy. Like, what the hell going on? They got the K9? Oh, man. Huh? Who, mommy? She went to work, daddy.
You know what?
Uh-huh, she went to work. Huh?
Papi going to the house.
Puppy went in the house? He did, huh? And another one bites the dust. Alright, come on, Cap, get up out of here, man. Oh, man. This is what I woke up to this morning. A bunch of black and whites, man. Police activity, man. A lot of shit going on, man. Yeah. Yo, Skip it. See the police activity? They still over there. They leaving. Yeah, it's all over. The Impala. And it's clean though. I like the Impala.
I can do.
It's just the cars leaving. All of the police finally out of here. Undercovers, unmarked. Car, Skippy. Don't run into that police car, girl. Say bye, Skippy. Way out. All out. There was a lot of morning, man. Like I said, some kind of hostage situation, man. But the girl is in custody. This is all a female doing all this, man. Had the whole shit showed up, man, all morning, man. Thank you, guys. All right, you guys too. Keep up the good work. All right, homie. Clear it out, man. Just go on and get up out of here. They gone, Skippy. It's all over, all the drama for today. Shit, it's only about 11 o'clock, man. What else gonna crack today, man? Watch out. Make sure ain't no car coming, girl. Sit. One more, huh? Last of the Mohicans. That's the last one. You seen all them cars out here this morning? Last car rolling out. The end of the drama for your mama. Say bye, Skibby. See you later, Rollies. It's over. Thank you.